Hi everyone and welcome back to another simple video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily zoom in on TikTok videos. So if you find an interesting video on TikTok and you want to zoom in on it, I'm going to show you how you can do it on both iPhone or Android devices. So when you open the TikTok app and find a video on which you want to zoom in, you simply need to open your control center or the notification center and find the screen recording option. TikTok doesn't have a zoom in feature, so we will do a simple screen recording. So on your iPhone, the screen recording option is going to look like this, so just tap on it. And if you are an Android user, just find your screen recording option and start recording your screen. When you record the whole video, simply stop recording and then open your gallery and find the video. When you open the TikTok video you had just screen recorded, simply pinch to zoom just like you zoom in on photos, and you will be able to zoom in on TikTok videos. If this video helped you out, then leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.